Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new Hot Wheels for 2025. It's Morgan Super 3. For those of you who don't know, this is a three-wheeler manufactured by a British company called Morgan. And this one replaced their older model. I think Matchbox did that one, so I'll try to show you that in the video too. I actually did a video on that, so if you want, you can just go through my channel and watch that. I will put the link on the top. And for this one, I know the card is slightly damaged, but then I opened them up. I'm not a carded collector, so I don't mind that. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Morgan Super 3 out of its box. And the first thing you will notice, the paint job is kind of fancy. It looks really nice. I like the numbers on the side, number 03. I like everything on this one. The paint looks really good. It isn't very funky, but at the same time it looks really good. So let's start from the front. Up front you got the twin headlamps, and these wheels, they look like new. I haven't seen them before on other Hot Wheels. Oh yeah, actually I did see them on the new Ford, the Ford Custom, I think 31. Yeah, so these are new. They look nice, and since it's a three-wheeler, there's the third wheel. So yeah, it's a very different vehicle. It's a car with three wheels, two front, one in the back. It's not a motorcycle. It does use a motorcycle engine though. Let's see what other details we can see. So you can see these, I don't know if those are shock absorber. I haven't seen one in real life, so I'm not sure, but they look like suspension there. Does have mirror. I'm surprised Hotwheels did that because they miss on mirror so many times, but they look good here. You have the interior that's done in black, and there's the thing that makes it more like a car. Two seats side by side and a steering wheel rather than sitting behind the driver and having a handlebar. So it's more like a car. There are certain nice details on this one, like Super Team written here. You can see the tail lamps, but again they are not detailed. And what else? This is how it looks from the bottom. And I don't know where the exhaust is. Is it in the front? I'm not sure. But yeah, should you get one? Of course. If you can detail the headlamps, it will look even better. Now, as I said before, it replaced the original three-wheeler from Morgan, and Matchbox did that one, so I just have it here. So this is the original three-wheeler, which the Morgan Super 3 replaced. As you can see there, the original one is more of a classic design, and new one is more of a modern design. You can watch the full video on my channel too for this one. Should you get one? Go ahead, get this. You won't regret. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.